This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Gary Harwell. Space with grace. This 7,510 square foot home offers beautiful mountain views from all three levels, an elevator, gorgeous woodwork, beautiful Italian stone and tile flooring, new granite countertops in the spacious kitchen, custom draperies, new carpet in the bedrooms, new epoxy flooring in the garage, fresh paint inside and out, and 2 laundry rooms for convenience. The cul-de-sac location offers a sense of privacy while still being about 10 minutes from LeConte Medical Center and approximately 15 to 20 minutes from either downtown Sevierville or the heart of Pigeon Forge. This home is spacious and, yet, manages a warmth that is hard to appreciate through photography alone. If you are seeking a spacious, warm, custom home with mountain views as well as short travel times to the regional medical facility, entertainment, shopping, dining, and the Smoky Mountains, book your private tour for 1919 Legend View Court as soon as you can manage. For more information, review the details below or contact Gary Harwell at 865-584-4000.